Hi students, this is Mr. Harkins. I'm just going to give you an update on some of the improvements that we're making to the computer systems. So firstly, I'm going to switch over to File Explorer, and the first thing you'll notice is that your area, which used to be your H drive, is no longer there. This has been replaced with your OneDrive, which is also your X drive, if you see that there. And the first thing that we've done is that we have moved all of your files into a folder there called Documents in your OneDrive, and you can click on that and you'll be able to browse through and see all of the files that you might have created before in any of your lessons. So you've not lost anything, it's now in your OneDrive. You can work in this in exactly the same way you did before, so you can create new files, you can copy files, you can paste files, you can create folders. It's no different. So I'm going to just open an Office document here. So I'm going to open a PowerPoint file, open a blank presentation. Let's put that there. Very simple. And you've created that, you're in school, and this time you're going to click on File and on Save. And you'll notice now you have a OneDrive option at the top with your name. So if you click on that and then the OneDrive folder, you can then save that directly into your OneDrive. Okay, so close that one down. Similarly, you can do exactly the same in Word or in any other of the Office documents. File, save, use your OneDrive. You can also, if you want to, just as you've always done in the past, click on Browse, ignore the error message, and again it will take you through to your OneDrive, which is there, and you can just save in there whatever your document's name is. So one of the reasons that we're doing this is because you can access your OneDrive from home. So it enables you to access the files you create in school or create at home and vice versa. So let's have a look how we do that. So I'm going to go to Firefly, and on the home page of Firefly you're aware that you have links for your Outlook email, and you also have an Office 365 link there. So I'm going to click on this. And then it gives me a number of options, so I can now create files in any internet browser that I want using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and once again you'll notice there you've got your OneDrive. So if I go into that OneDrive, you can then see all of the documents that are there and the ones that we've just created, and you can open them up. So one of the reasons we do this is because you have lots more space. About 1,000 times more space, so there's lots of files that you can save there. So when you get home, you can add some more and more to your homework or any of your files. Because it's OneDrive, you'll notice at the top that it automatically saves, and then I can close that down, and when I'm in school I can then access that file. So there's lots of other exciting features and programs that you'll soon be able to use as well, and how you can collaborate using these new features. Some of you have already used OneDrive. Those files will also be there, and your IT teachers and the IT support team will be giving you further advice over the next few weeks.